Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlink Facebook from Instagram. If you don't want Instagram and Facebook to be linked together, you want to remove Facebook from your Instagram account so it doesn't share all kinds of information and it doesn't post on the other platform and all that stuff. I'm gonna walk you through the various steps that you can go through to unlink Facebook from Instagram. Now let's open your Facebook application and tap on this menu bar and then the gear icon at the very top right. You have to scroll down at the bottom and I can get to account center here. Click on it. So this is Meta, which is the company that owns both Facebook and Instagram, and you can see it has various profiles on here. At the very bottom is accounts. So you have to click on accounts and this will give me the ability to remove Facebook from Instagram, and I just do that by tapping the remove button. So it will say this will remove your Instagram account from Facebook. You won't be able to find any messages, you won't be able to share stories and post across your channels, and then you hit continue here and then it will show you all the other stuff that it will remove, and then all you have to do is hit remove and now it will unlink that Facebook account from Instagram and you can use them completely separately. I hope this helped you out. If it did, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.